Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor AI in WordPress. First, ensure Elementor Pro is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Navigate to any page or post you wish to edit with Elementor. Look for the AI icon within the text editor or widget settings. This tool helps you generate content, code, and even design elements directly within your workflow, saving significant time and effort. It's designed to streamline your website building process. Elementor AI excels at generating various forms of content. Simply select a text widget, click the AI icon, and input your desired prompt. For example, ask it to write a compelling headline for a new product launch or create 3 bullet points about sustainable living. The AI will then provide suggestions you can insert directly or modify. This feature is incredibly useful for overcoming writer's block and quickly populating your pages with relevant, engaging text. Beyond text, Elementor AI can assist with code and design. You can prompt it to write CSS to center an image or create a simple HTML button. This is a powerful feature for those who need custom styling without deep coding knowledge. Additionally, the AI can analyze your existing content and suggest improvements for clarity, tone, or SEO. It acts as a smart assistant, helping you refine both the aesthetics and functionality of your WordPress site. To maximize Elementor AI's potential, experiment with highly specific and detailed prompts. The more context you provide, the better the AI's output will be. Remember to always review and edit the generated content to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and message. This blend of AI efficiency and human creativity yields the best results. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital life. It's a fantastic way to integrate smart technology into your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.